way to third, and he's going to reach there with a stand-up triple. Well, that ball caromed around in the corner, ricocheted a couple of times, and Winfield did not play it perfectly right at the beginning, and it allowed Henderson to get an extra base. He has a three-bagger. I think it pulled Winfield. It went into the corner. It slowed down. It hit something and slowed down a little bit. Winfield then went for the ball, but it rolled by him, kicked into the corner, and then back past him to his left. Had a very strange reaction down there. I have no idea what it might have hit, but it did not roll as Winfield thought it would. So, Steve Henderson into third base. There are two outs, and Dave Kingman will be the batter. Now, Kingman's having a good series. He's 9 for 11. He's
Oh my God!
Chris, huh, Sheila?
Really?
Looks like old Shasta spent a hard night in a Cuisinart.
Honey, I'm in the on-deck circle, and I'm ready to come up to the plate. Wake up.
Not until you get rid of that mower.
Jeez, hon, it's been a week, for Christ's sakes.
Every time I see it, I think of poor Mrs. Smith and her cat. Good night, Harold.
God, give me strength.
Fair enough trade, huh, good buddy?
Yeah. Right, good buddy. Two stinking tires and a tank of gas for a $200 lawn master. Looked again, old buddy.
But I need my lawn mowed. He's in college? You sure? Yeah, I know you're his mother, but... All right. All right. Goodbye.
Hey, Parkette, you gonna rake it or bale it?
Brussels sprouts again.
Lawns mowed. Reasonable. 776-2390. All right. Damn straight. Karis. Karis? What kind of name is that? Kraut? Greek? Who the hell cares as long as he cuts the damn grass?
Can I help you?
Pastoral sent me, buddy. You called, right, buddy?
You?
Me? I'm Karis, buddy. Gonna fix you right up. buddy. No problem. Gonna fix you right up by Cersei.
By Cersei. Kind of.
Stop that!
Get up, Harold, you handsome, silly boy. It's all been a dream.
A dream?
You fainted, buddy, right, huh?
You. The grass. Please. What is this?
This? Well, buddy, it's sort of a new thing the boss been working on. Of course, every now and then we run into a customer who don't understand.
Some people got no respect for efficiency, right, buddy? But the boss is always agreeable to a sacrifice. Sort of keeps the wheels greased, if you know what I mean.
Oh, sure. I mean, well, God bless the grass.
Oh, God bless the grass. Oh, that's a good one. Damn good. Oh, I can see you got the right spirit. I'm going to write that sucker down. Meantime, duty calls.
Huh? Oh, sure. Whatever you say. I'm just gonna finish my nap.
You go right ahead, good buddy. This hits everybody hard at first, but you'll get used to it.
Right. Let's see. The police or the mental hospital?
You might want to give it a whirl yourself, good buddy. Boss always has an eye out for our new talent.
The boss?
Well, say, buddy, I figured you must have guessed. God bless the grass and all. Hand's the boss.
Yeah. I'd like to report a... Well, I'd like to report a case of indecent exposure. There's a naked man mowing my lawn. What? What do you mean can I see his genitals? What kind of a sick question is that? Of course I can see... God! Come!
That was a mistake, good buddy. You should have stuck with God bless the grass. If you were just to show me where you keep the sharpest butcher knife, we could get this sacrifice business out of the way fast enough. Painless. That bird bath out back will be just...
curiosity. Bird bath. Prime cuts, you might say. Sex maniac. Must have been. Bannerman, this world is full of nuts. Never forget that.
Yes, sir.
Hell of a nice looking lawn, though. Wish I could get mine to look this nice.